we are celebrating 20,000 Salesforce students. So, here is the deal. I want to show more toward your future. So, what are we going to do? So, here is the catch. I need to hear from you. You who are watching this video, I need to hear from you personally. So, I want you to record a video of yourself using your smartphone. The video has to be under 3 minutes. Make sure it is of a good quality. No dark videos, or don't mumble when you speak. Okay, speak clearly and plainly. Mention what you've learned specifically from my video tutorials. If you're learning from admin beginner, admin intermediate, admin advanced, or developer beginner, developer intermediate, or developer advanced, or you're learning from my non-profit success pack training tutorials, let me know which one that you specifically learn from, or all of it. So, and then mention why you choose my video tutorials to learn Salesforce. What do you like? Why do you like learning from my video tutorials? Once you've recorded your video, upload that video onto your preferred platform. You can upload it to YouTube if you know how to use YouTube, or you know how to upload to YouTube, or you can share me the video link on your Dropbox or your Google Drive or any other platform that I can download your video and watch it. So share with me your video link by replying this email. Well, you don't know, this is not an email. If you're watching this on YouTube, just email me at jimmy@sown.io. Email me your video link at jimmy@sown.io. I will also copy and paste this whole details under the video description on YouTube here. This is very important. Fill and email me back your signed video consent form, which you can get from here by clicking this. I'm going to open this on a new tab here. So this is a video consent form. Okay, basically it gives me consent to use your submitted video on my YouTube channel or on my website. So I need this. Without you filling this, I cannot use your video. So I cannot consider your video without you filling out that form. Never mind about your address. I don't need your address, just your name and signature. I don't need you to fill in your address. Let me just close this guy. Okay? So, video consent form is important, and give me the link to your video. Then I will choose one person to sponsor by giving $200 credit toward any Salesforce Certification Exam. So you can do your admin certification, or maybe you want to do your admin advanced certification, or any of the consulting certification, or NPSP, or developer, or architect, whatever. I will give $200 credit toward your certification. I will not give you cash. Okay, we'll talk when you are picked. I will manage with you on how I can deliver this amount toward your exam. I will only sponsor an exam. I will not give you cash, which you can use for anything else. Okay, I want to sow into your future, not your entertainment or anything else you want to use with the money. So only for exam, Salesforce exam. And then please make note, your video may be shared on our sown.io website and or our YouTube channel. And only those who share the video with a signed video consent form will be considered in this opportunity. Please take note again, I will not give every single one of you that submitted, but only one. I will choose one. Okay? Okay, make sure that's clear. By submitting this, I'm not guaranteeing that I will sponsor you the $200 credit. I will only pick one person. Alright? I will announce who I will sponsor on December 30, 2021 on our YouTube channel. Exciting! And this is more exciting. Also, starting January 2022, that's next month, we will begin our monthly, this is monthly, every month, monthly Salesforce Live Challenge on YouTube stream, on my YouTube channel, okay? And award one person a $200 Salesforce Certification Exam credit every single month. Woohoo! So by the end of the year, I would have sponsored 12 people, 12 students, 12 persons, okay? And if I can get sponsorship from other non-profit organizations, who knows? Maybe I can sponsor 1,000 people, all right? So this is coming from my own money, so I just want to start and get things going and see how your response are. If you are not responsive, then what's the point, right? But if there are many participants, I will invite thousands non-profit organizations to sponsor exams. And then my final vision, my final goal is to train you, equip you enough for you to be able to work in these non-profit organizations or for-profit organizations or consulting firms. But this is where we start, okay? I want you to land and secure a good salaried Salesforce job that can feed your family, put a roof above your family and feed your family well. Okay, that's the goal of Zone.io. So to be eligible to participate in our 2022 monthly challenge and beyond, you will have to submit your personal testimony video first. Why? I don't want to have to filter thousands upon thousands of unknown faceless people for this challenge. Okay, I don't know. There's so many bad people out there. Who knows if 20 people are trying to participate and attack the challenge instead of one person. So I need to know you one person at a time to filter through the bad participants. So you have to show your face. I need to know who you are. So you can, I'm confident to sponsor you and to sow more into your future. We need to get to know each other. Okay? So don't miss this exciting opportunity to improve your future the fun way. Keep on learning. I'll see you soon. Bada bing, bada boom. Hit that subscribe button and explore new trailhead grounds and learn to implement the most useful and popular apps on the Salesforce App Exchange. And do yourself a favor. Like this video and you'll be surprised on how much more you understand when watching this same video after liking it. Don't take my word. Watch this one more time after you like the video and see it for yourself. Bada bing, bada boom.